Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the feed is dead with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks and lets you work confidently. Once the power is off, position the ladder so you can reach the trim comfortably and remove any bulbs. Make sure to wear gloves to protect the ceiling and your hands. You then inspect the trim to determine if it's spring-loaded, screw-fastened, or held by clips, because that dictates the first removal move. You now pry or compress the trim springs and lower the trim piece away from the ceiling, taking care not to tear drywall. Once exposed, unthread the socket or depress the Quick Connect tab and separate the wiring. Labeling or photographing connections prevents mistakes on reassembly. Next, support the can housing with one hand while you remove mounting screws or release barbed clips. This prevents the can from falling into the attic. If the can is sealed with insulation, gently clear area to access fasteners. You finish by lowering the can completely, disconnecting remaining wires at the junction box, and capping or reconnecting as needed. Secure all splices with wire nuts and tuck them into the box. Once removed, decide whether to patch the ceiling or install a new fixture, and fasten any new bracket per instructions. If your tester still shows power, stop work, recheck the breaker labeling and use continuity checks. If uncertainty remains, call a licensed electrician to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.